Today on TikTok Made Me Do It, we are making the viral lemonade and the matcha yogurt clusters. The viral lemonade has so many freaking health benefits, it's insane, and an amazing sweet treat if you're on a health kick. Let's get cooking. All right, so this viral lemon drink may be the healthiest drink you make this year, according to Jen Jones. Now, Jen Jones created this recipe, I don't know how long ago, okay? And now it's finally gone viral, but we got to give credit where credit's due. So Jen Jones, you got the credit. So this drink is supposed to help with lymph nodes, energy, digestion. If it's coming in, it's got to be going out, and brain power. And I wanted to say, what mom could not use some help with brain power? You use the whole lemon, the peel, the pith, the seeds, everything, baby. Now this surprised me at first, but the olive oil in the drink is a total game changer. Powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. The honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and antioxidant. Now the optional ingredients. Ginger, anti-inflammatory, eases nausea and bloating, helps regulate blood sugar, cholesterol, helps arthritis, menstrual cramps, and general muscle soreness. There were articles about this drink back in 1994 talking about how this simple drink could boost immunity, flush your lymphatic system, and even help with digestion. Psyllium cinnamon manages blood sugar, possible protection against heart disease. Bottoms up. That is delicious. Yum. Strawberries offer a wide range of health benefits, including boosting immunity, aiding heart health, supporting brain function, and potentially helping with weight management. They are also a good source of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. This is actually a very cool little kitchen gadget that has come in handy. We eat a lot of strawberries around here, and it is awesome, and you can find it in my Amazon store. So let's talk about the benefits of these particular matcha clusters. So it's got the yogurt, which is packed with protein. It's got the chia seeds, which is a healthy fat, as well as omega-3s, and also some fiber in there. So I use Maple Hill yogurt. When it comes to dairy products, I use the best ingredients. So 1.5 cups of the strawberries cut up. So we're adding 1 cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of chia. Chia seeds offer a range of health benefits due to their high content of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They are a good source of insoluble fiber. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Who knew white chocolate actually has a few benefits, including a source of antioxidants, providing calcium, and it's also caffeine-free, making it a good option for those sensitive to caffeine. However, it's important to consume it in moderation due to its high sugar and fat content. Matcha, a finely ground green tea powder, offers numerous health benefits, including boosted brain function, improved heart health, and potential weight loss support. It's rich in antioxidants and may help reduce stress and anxiety. It also has polyphenols in it as well, which is awesome. So we have a bunch of matcha white chocolate left over, so I don't like food waste, so we are going to make some little candies out of it. That's what we're going to do. Just put these in a mold. This mitt doesn't really hold. I'm Gonzo from Bake Squad right now, making chocolate. Well, she ain't gotta be pretty, she just has to get done. This was just to, not waste chocolate. So, not the best, but it's gonna work. Oh my goodness, look at that little strawberry. Are these not the cutest little accidental recipe we made today? Oh my God. I see. Well, that summer body's gonna have to be put on hold, okay, honey? Okay, for the big taste test. Here we go. Very good. Very satisfying. Doesn't need extra sugar. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you enjoyed this, you're going to really enjoy my Twix bar recipe, because it also is something dipped in chocolate, super healthy, and a great sweet treat. If you are trying to be health conscious, it's a great treat. So you can catch that video next, and I will see you in the next episode.